Hello, and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. I'm going to talk a little bit about automation today and motorization, and there is a slight difference between them. Over my shoulders, you're going to notice that we have three Hunter Douglas duet shades, and they're in a standard operation, which is called bottom up. And so the bottom rail just goes up to the top. That's all that they do, but they're really effective for what this customer wants. But they have automation. It can be done in two different ways. Motorization through the remote control, and more automation done through the app. Now the app is run through a hub. The hub is over in another part of the room, kind of hidden away, but let me show you how it works. First of all, you have the remote control, and you'll notice that it has all of these numbers on it. Let's say you wanted to work just one unit. Press the one that you want to use, in this case number 4, hit the open button, and you'll notice that the shade is going into the upper position. You'll notice in the center there's a little square for stop. We hit that and it stops exactly where we want. Now let's say we want to get into automation. We grab the app, you'll notice the power view. Oh, that was my mom texting me. Okay, so in here, you'll notice that we have what's called the dashboard. And with that, we'll get into that later. Rooms, so you can go to the room itself, select which window you want to use in case you have specific needs. So we'll use the same one. So North 1, which is the one you're looking at right there on the right-hand side, pull this down, and you'll notice that the shade will go to the position that we have laid out. Very simple. Now, one of the things that they did here was they have scenes. Now, in this one, we went all closed, all open, west afternoon, for various reasons. It's not critical, but if you wanted it to go to all open, for example, you just hit all open, and you'll notice that all the shades are opening. If we wanted west afternoon, we just hit that one, and we'll notice that the shades on the west side are all closing. Automations, this is very interesting. We'll notice that it has things that are automated. So in the morning, an hour before sunrise, everything opens. West afternoon, 3 hours before sunset, we put that in there so they could just control these anytime they want it, automated every day of the week, where you can turn that on or off, and even the ability to go all of them open. So it depends on how you want it, but you have to program your scenes first, and then you can automate them. The beauty of this is just the ability to take any of the rooms that you want, select all, and just take them up to the top, for example, and all the shades in the room are doing exactly what you need them to do. So there is a difference between automation and motorization. Motorization is just the ability to take power to a shade and have it raise or lower based on pressing a button. Automation is running things based on scenes. You can tie that into an Alexa unit or a Google Home or Apple, so that you can say, take my shades and do such and such with them. Every company has their own method of doing it, so I won't get into the specifics on that. And of course, you saw how we can automate here. They can also be tied to IFTTTs, which gives you the ability to say, well, if my coffee maker goes off, I want it to do this, and my security system to do that, my lights to do this. So it can all be integrated for more automation if that's your goal. I know this has been a really long video, and I'm kind of sorry for that. But the point is that shades are a great part of your home automation system, and they are very functional for what you probably need, whether they be a honeycomb shade, a roller shade, even draperies can be done with automation. Thank you very much for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.